Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I've got the most amazing and easiest recipe for you for cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of those things that's a hit and miss. In most cases, it's a miss. But with the recipe that I'm going to show you today, it is so unbelievably easy to turn something so blah and make it spectacular. Now, for those of you that have kids that are fussy about their veggies, or even adults that are kind of like, you know, they moan and bitch about like veggies, this recipe will be absolutely fantastic. So here, first things first, what we're gonna do is line my baking sheet, and that's all I'm using, is just a baking sheet with parchment paper. I love parchment paper. It's like I have like an emotional attachment with parchment paper. It's gonna make your life a lot easier, trust me. Second thing, preheat your oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. And now, the star of our show, our cauliflower. I've actually pre-chopped up my cauliflower here. You don't need to watch me chop cauliflower. If you think watching cauliflower get chopped is a thing, you must like to see grass grow or something, because it's right up there with that. And you're gonna cut them into decent sized chunks, but then again, this is totally up to you and how you wanna do it. Now I'm gonna let you in on my secret. This is so easy, it's so simple, you're gonna give yourself like the V8 knock or something, it's crazy. First things first, my Greek extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle this all over my cauliflower, as my friends from the St. Louis area say. Nothing to this at all, and get kind of generous, get it all over. We're still gonna toss and turn this anyway. Next thing, pepper. Throw some pepper on there as well. Just a light coating because there's more to this. And then, moving along, paprika. Simple, simple, little bit of paprika. Just sprinkle it all over your cauliflower, just like this. Perfect. And my secret that's about to get revealed, Montreal steak spice. That's right, Montreal steak spice. Let me just open the other side here like this. And you're just gonna drizzle this all over your cauliflower, and this will have it tasting like steak. It's gonna give it such a beautiful flavor, it's unbelievable. So now, all we're gonna do is really just start kind of turning it over in the sheet itself, on your baking sheet itself, and let it get coated evenly and on all sides. And this, my friends, is all there is to it. This will be the best damn cauliflower you ever had. It is so delicious. For God's sakes, people bring their kids. I have friends that have kids that they bring them over to eat their veggies here because they taste so good. And when you have like a beautiful piece of meat or some fish, or even on its own, this is fantastic. Perfect, just like that. So now, I'm gonna pop these into my 375 degree oven. It's gonna take about an hour to bake. Halfway through, you're gonna flip it and just turn it over and let it continue baking. And in an hour, you're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you exactly what they look like. All right, showtime, baby. These are actually right out of the oven. Actually about 5 minutes or so. They are done to perfection. Look at these. They're like brown, they got charred bits on them, not burnt, just caramelization. That's all flavor. It is absolutely fantastic. And you know what? My kitchen smells unbelievable. So I'm just gonna try one of these. Look at these, like they're just perfect, 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 perfect. Done to absolute perfection. That is so good. It actually tastes so much more than just like cauliflower. So now, my friends, with this recipe to your repertoire, now you don't need to fight with people, argue, get stressed out over getting them to eat more veggies. This will also work on any number of other veggies. Like there's like cauliflower, you can put them on zucchini, you can put this on beans, you can put this on broccoli. You know what? Who needs the stress of getting people to eat veggies? You want stress? Go visit your in-laws or your ex. This is like good, honest, decent, simple food. So that's it for this episode, my friends, on how to kick up cauliflower and how to make it more presentable and certainly more delicious. I hope you guys try this. It's a snack to make. There's like 3 things in this. There's basically like pepper, paprika, and the Montreal steak spice. There's probably New York steak spice. There's like wherever the hell people are from, there's probably some kind of steak spice there. Try it. You can try this with Cajun seasoning as well. It will work absolutely fantastic. So until next time, I thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell. It'll tell you what I'm up to next and whenever I upload. Also, check me out online at kensgreektable.com, all one word. And until next time, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.